What's up, everyone? Today, we're embarking on a journey through the vibrant city of Dublin, Ireland. This video will showcase the top attractions and hidden gems that make Dublin a must-visit destination. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the heart of the Emerald Isle. Dublin, perched on Ireland's east coast, has a rich tapestry of history that dates back to its founding as a Viking settlement. Over the centuries, it has evolved into Ireland's capital and largest city, seamlessly blending historic charm with modern vibrancy. From its storied past to its lively pub culture and world-class museums, Dublin offers a warm and welcoming experience to all who visit. 1. Trinity College and the Book of Kells. Our first stop is Trinity College, Ireland's oldest university, nestled in the heart of Dublin. Established in 1592, the campus is a harmonious blend of historic architecture and manicured gardens, offering a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. A stroll through its cobblestone pathways provides a glimpse into centuries of academic excellence. The crown jewel of Trinity College is undoubtedly the Book of Kells, a 9th century illuminated manuscript that stands as a masterpiece of early Christian art. Housed in the old library, this intricately decorated manuscript showcases the remarkable artistry and devotion of its creators. Visitors can marvel at its detailed illustrations and gain insight into Ireland's monastic heritage. While the college grounds are open to the public, viewing the Book of Kells requires a ticketed entry. 2. Traditional Irish music sessions. Dublin's musical heritage is deeply embedded in its culture, and experiencing a traditional Irish music session is a must. While the Temple Bar district is renowned for its lively atmosphere and abundance of pubs offering live music, it's worth venturing beyond this popular area to discover more authentic experiences. For a genuine taste of Dublin's musical soul, consider visiting pubs like the Porterhouse, known for its craft beers and vibrant music scene, or Doyle's, which offers intimate live performances. These venues provide an authentic ambience where locals and visitors alike can enjoy the rhythmic melodies that have been passed down through generations. 3. Guinness Storehouse. No visit to Dublin would be complete without exploring the Guinness Storehouse, the city's most popular attraction. Located in the historic St. James's Gate Brewery, the Storehouse offers a multi-sensory journey into the world of Guinness. Spread across 7 floors, each level delves into different facets of the brewing process, the brand's history, and its global cultural impact. Interactive exhibits showcase everything from the finest ingredients used to craft the iconic stout to the evolution of Guinness's advertising campaigns. The experience culminates at the Gravity Bar, where visitors can savor a complimentary pint of Guinness while enjoying panoramic views of Dublin's skyline. 4. St. Stephen's Green. In the heart of Dublin lies St. Stephen's Green, a verdant oasis that has been a cherished public park since 1880. Spanning 22 acres, the park features lush lawns, picturesque flower beds, and serene walking paths that encircle a central lake. It's a favored spot for both locals and tourists seeking a tranquil retreat from urban life. Whether you're interested in people watching, enjoying a leisurely picnic, or simply soaking in the natural beauty, St. Stephen's Green offers a peaceful respite. The park's historical significance and well-maintained landscapes make it a delightful destination year-round. 5. Kilmainham Gaol. Delving into Ireland's complex history, a visit to Kilmainham Jail provides profound insights into the nation's struggle for independence. This former prison, operational from 1796 to 1924, held many prominent political prisoners, including leaders of the 1916 Easter Rising. Today, Kilmainham Gaol serves as a museum, offering guided tours that navigate through its somber corridors and cells. Visitors learn about the harsh conditions endured by inmates and the pivotal events that transpired within its walls. The tour concludes with access to an informative museum that delves deeper into Ireland's path to sovereignty. Due to its popularity, it's advisable to book tickets in advance. 6. Irish Whiskey Experiences. Ireland's whiskey heritage is celebrated worldwide, and Dublin offers several venues where enthusiasts can immerse themselves in this rich tradition. The Irish Whiskey Museum provides guided tours that chronicle the spirit's history, production methods, and cultural significance. The experience concludes with a tasting session, allowing visitors to sample various Irish whiskies. For those keen on observing the distillation process firsthand, the Teeling Distillery offers tours of its operational facilities. Guests gain insights into contemporary whiskey production while honoring age-old techniques, culminating in a tasting of Teeling's distinctive offerings. 7. Epic. The Irish Emigration Museum offers an immersive exploration into the journeys of Irish emigrants and their global influence. Through interactive displays, visitors can trace the narratives of those who left Ireland's shores, uncovering the reasons behind their departures and the indelible marks they left worldwide. The museum's engaging exhibits cater to all ages, making it both an educational and moving experience. It's a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Irish people, highlighting their contributions across various fields internationally. 8. Howth Village and Coastal Walks. A short trip from Dublin city centre leads to the charming seaside village of Howth. Accessible via the Dart train, Howth offers a delightful blend of natural beauty and culinary delights. The village is famed for its seafood restaurants, where freshly caught fare tantalizes the palate. For nature enthusiasts, the Howth Cliff Walk presents breathtaking vistas of rugged cliffs meeting the Irish Sea. The trails vary in difficulty, accommodating both casual walkers and seasoned hikers. Along the way, keep an eye out for local wildlife, including seabirds and seals, making it a haven for photographers and nature lovers alike. 9. Architectural and historical landmarks. Dublin's streets are adorned with landmarks that narrate the city's storied past. Dublin Castle, once the epicenter of British administration in Ireland, now serves as a government complex and museum. Its architecture reflects various periods, offering insights into the city's evolution. The Halfpenny Bridge, an iconic pedestrian bridge spanning the River Liffey, is a testament to Dublin's 19th century engineering and remains a beloved symbol of the city. Both Christ Church Cathedral and St. Patrick's Cathedral stand as monumental testaments to Dublin's medieval heritage, each with its unique history and architectural grandeur. For a comprehensive understanding of Dublin's history and hidden gems, consider joining a free walking tour. These tours, led by knowledgeable guides, weave through major sites and lesser-known locales, enriching your appreciation of the city's multifaceted character. 10. Day trips to Ireland's countryside. While Dublin offers a plethora of attractions, venturing into the Irish countryside provides a serene contrast to the urban environment. Organized day trips can transport you to the monastic site of Glendalough, nestled within the Wicklow Mountains. Here, ancient ruins and glacial lakes create a picturesque landscape that exudes tranquility. Another worthwhile excursion is to the medieval city of Kilkenny, renowned for its well-preserved castle, narrow winding streets, and vibrant art scene. These day trips offer a deeper connection to Ireland's natural beauty and historical depth, enriching your overall experience. 11. Culinary delights. Embracing Ireland's seafood renaissance. Ireland's culinary scene has undergone a remarkable transformation, with a renewed emphasis on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Dublin, in particular, has embraced this shift, with top-tier restaurants and markets showcasing the best of Irish seafood. From the iconic fish and chips at Leo Burdock's to the refined seafood chowder at the Cliff Townhouse, there's something for every palate. Dublin's coastal location provides access to some of the freshest oysters, mussels, and Dublin Bay prawns, often paired with artisanal bread and creamy Irish butter. For an immersive experience, visit Howth, a picturesque fishing village just a short train ride from the city centre, where you can savor seafood straight from the boats. The Dublin culinary landscape is a true renaissance, celebrating its maritime heritage while pushing the boundaries of modern cuisine. And there you have it. Dublin, a city where history meets modern vibrancy, where cobbled streets lead to buzzing pubs, and where the past and present create an unforgettable experience. Whether you've come for the rich history, the warm hospitality, or the mouth-watering food, Dublin never fails to leave a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this journey through Dublin, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more incredible travel destinations. Share your favorite Dublin experiences in the comments below, and let us know where we should explore next. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and as always, safe travels with DSV Travel Trips. Slainty.